Welcome back to our channel. In this video I will create Coffee Tone Lightroom preset. Here are the example photo, before and after applying preset. So let's start. Please, check description for preset. Password will appear in a video, so watch video until end. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.40. Contrast to +22. Highlights to +20. Shadows to -30. Whites to -26. Blacks to -41. Go to Color. Temp to -14. Tint to -12. Vibrance to -12. Saturation to -10. Go to Mix. Go to Red Hue to +18. Saturation to -20. Luminance to -20. Go to Orange. Hue to +12. Saturation to -18. Luminance to -15. Please like the video. Go to Yellow. Hue to +15. Saturation to -14. Luminance to +15. Go to Green. Saturation to -100. Go to Aqua. Hue to -15. Saturation to -50. Luminance to -31. Go to Blue. Saturation to -100. Luminance to -50. Go to Purple. Saturation to -60. Go to Pink. Hue to +30. Saturation to 𝘿𝙤𝙬𝙣𝙀. Luminance 2, -40. Subscribe our channel for more presets. Go to Effects, Texture 2, +16. Clarity 2, -30. Dehaze 2, -21. Vignette 2, -14. Midpoint 2, +70. Highlights 2, +15. Go to split tone, adjust the values according to me. Go to Detail. Noise Reduction 2, +20. Color Noise Reduction 2, +10. Go to Profiles. I am copying all settings and pasting to other photos. Presets doesn't work on every photo, so try to adjust other functions. Share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.